Heavy rains pound eastern parishes. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. You're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. A special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Also this evening, NWA says it's working to clear blocked road in sections of Portland. And later, Indicom investigating the shooting death of a 19-year-old by his mother, who is a police officer. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.